In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is launch one of your apps and access it in the background. Then use those three dots at the top right corner to select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!